everybody! Today we are unboxing the Yume Twins box from Tokyo Treat. So here we go. Okay, we have the booklet, which I think this one's theme is Shiba in France. Yes. So it's like dog, I guess, related. Okay, so the first one we have is the little Shiba. Aww. He's so cute. I love his little tongue. Oh, he's so cute. So there's that one. It's a mochi Shiba plushie. So it's the soft and squishy. And next we have, what do we have? Apparently we have a microfiber duster that's a lion. Kawaii animal duster to help with your spring cleaning. Oh, okay. So it looks like you could have gotten the lion, a frog, and something pink I'm assuming is a bunny. But we got the lion. Next, we have the monthly squishy. It's like a cat paw, I think. And it says Paw Beanies Squishy. Oh. Aww. And I guess it's beanies because these little things look like beans. So there's that. And we have the Sunoko Garashi charm, I guess. Omemori is what it's called. But they're like wish charms. Usually, like, people get them for, like, tests before tests. Oh, and we got the best one in the thing. We got my favorite. So, that is so cute. Okay, yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I'm definitely keeping this. Okay. And next, we have a Mochi Shiba bath bomb. And it looks like there's, yeah, it rattles. There's something inside. So apparently you can get one of these here are inside the bath bomb. So we'll have to see what we got later. Let's see, what does it say about it? Da, 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 da. Make an orange bath bomb. And you can find a kawaii mochi Shiba figure inside it. Okay. And next we have the, I think it's a notebook. Mochi Shiba memo pad. Okay. With 100 sheets of paper, the perfect, easy to carry size. You can take a ton of cute notes no matter where you are. May have to take that to work. Okay, so that is all that was in this box. So for a favorite, Sunoko Garashi good luck charm. Yeah, this is just super cute. But that is all for this one, so see you next time.